if someone been identified that they are snoring, or they're snoring at night time, or they're having a sleep apnea, well, the best thing is to get it assessed and diagnosed. So here at Snoring Leisure Care, we do conduct a thorough assessment that it probably takes about 45 minutes to an hour, basically identifying the risk factors that it could contribute to your snoring. From there, we can guide you through if you require any referral, sleep study, ENT, or seeing GP or dietitian. And based on that, we can recommend what's the treatment can be done to help improving the snoring.